How is it going today? Loyal, let's get my Dwayne.
My name's Jasmine.
We're Dwayne and Jasmine. We have the Chicken King, a Tiger King parody, not for Carol Baskin.
Carol Vaskin.
Fielder, husband,
whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen.
How you gonna mess it up?
Because I was laughing.
Phantom
and tigers ain't slacking.
What's happening?
Carol Vaskin.
Alright, you guys have your option, guys. Please follow us on social medias and the link is below. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive on in.
Hold it steady, you fat son of a bitch! I'm being still! Oh shit, turn me back around or I'm gonna shoot these trees! My name Buck, exactly. I suck me some dick and I'm broke as shit! I run this here petting zoo called Chicken Shit where you and the man come be a man and pet my chicken!
Pet the chicken!
I'm ready to eat the fuck! Damn tootin' woman, Colonel Sanders ain't got shit on me!
Here's a whole flamethrower.
Texas, we got a gas station and an intersection with a stoplight, but we still got the second largest chicken pet farm in the county.
Look at the
They
egg.
had chickens like mine, but
The
I
barrel
don't think
casket.
that ain't This is Texas.
That bearded bitch claims she got the
Largest chickens in all of this.
Everyone knows them chickens is turkeys!
I'm taking this.
Damn it, you call them roosters!
These dumbass chickens love my kids, and that's great, because I don't.
You better be hungry, bitch.
I don't wanna eat, I wanna suck dick! Buck and I have been married about 3 or 4 years now.
You take this man to be your husband for a while.
I'll be one better. I'm gonna suck his dick. You're just about your average farm couple. Hold still, daddy wants a snack!
Oh my god.
Campaign promo.
Action! God damn it.
The
you
video.
gotta say action. I did. Well, shit. I'm running for mayor, bitch. And if you vote for me, I'm
did.
gonna crack the fuck out of this
You
land.
may have seen my competitor's ads, but did you know that he drinks Diet Coke?
That bitch.
Take it from me, dipshit's #1 chicken bitch.
Fuck you, guys! Let's steal these fucking turkeys.
Take your wet hands off my chicken!
Them's are turkeys, you fat bitch.
Those turkeys are chicken! People are perplexed by my chickens being almost turkey-sized, but if you feed your chickens pieces of meat that you are no longer married to, they will grow to preposterous proportions.
Well, I got me the greatest job in the world. I love people petting my chicken. Parts closed. Get the fuck off my land. I love sucking some dick. Hey, you get away from my chicken.
Your chickens are trash!
Your chickens are turkeys.
Fuck yeah!
I love that he has his barrel casket.
Barrel. Okay, so
This is basically Tiger King.
that was a
basically
2-minute
Tiger King.
short of Tiger King.
Tiger King was just a crazy, like, series.
Yeah.
It wasn't even, like, it was about, like, them having the tiger, I wouldn't say farms, but
Tiger Zoo.
Zoos.
Yeah.
zoos or whatever like that. And Carol was accusing Joe Exotic of using them for money when she was doing basically the same exact thing. And
it's a
she
lot.
just had grass and Joe had dirt.
Right.
It's just the same thing.
It's
But-
literally... Go watch it. It's on Netflix. Tiger King. The story is crazy.
Guns and
toting tigers,
right,
murder
and
mysteries,
doing commercials
and running for office. It's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It is a lot. It was crazy. Just know it was crazy, and he pretty much said the whole story in 2 minutes.
That's why the thing is so funny.
He said, feed him the chicken. Just watch it. If you ever seen it, please go watch it. It's pretty.
You
fun.
understand all the jokes in this because it's basically the same thing but with chickens.
Yeah,
like
pretty
in
much.
2 minutes.
In
That
2
whole
minutes.
entire series.
Yep, it was crazy. It was crazy. Anyway, guys, comment below, guys. Let us know.
Don't forget to like
Okay.
and
It's just a
share.
book. This is.